Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing your notifications on the lock screen on iOS 16. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. A lot of things have changed with the new iOS 16. One of them is the way notifications show on the lock screen. If you are looking at your lock screen and wondering where the notifications have gone, here is how you see them. When you are on your lock screen and the padlock has unlocked from Face ID, all you have to do is swipe up from somewhere on the bottom half of the screen, and your notifications will appear. Each time you lock your iPhone, the notifications will be hidden again until you swipe upwards from the bottom half of the screen. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS 16 tips and tricks.